Wengie. Welcome back to my channel and school hugs. So today we're going to be trying 5 different school lunches from around the world. I can't wait to recreate them with you and try them, and I'm super excited. I'm also going to share with you guys my school lunch from when I was a kid. Of course, we're going to put Australia in there. During this video, please comment and let me know what your school lunch was and what country you were from, because I really want to know. And maybe later I'm going to recreate your own school lunches on this channel as well. All right, guys, let's make some lunches. Let's go. The Aussie lunch system. And guys, this was an easy choice because I'm going to show you what I ate growing up. I bought lunch from the canteen mainly because my parents were too busy to cook, and the canteen had a variety of food from meat pies, sandwiches, to sushi and burgers. Alright, so this is the picture I chose to recreate. I, of course, picked the meat pie every day. I burnt it a little bit, guys, when I took it out, and now we serve it super simply. Usually it's in a brown lunch bag, but I've got a brown napkin here instead. Of course, I have to have it with tomato sauce. This looks a little lonely, but this is literally what I had for lunch every single day at school. And we would do something called like a lunch order, which means like you put your money and you write down what you want on a brown paper bag, like a lunch bag. And at lunchtime, they're gonna put whatever you wrote on your bag in the lunch bag and put it in a box that you take. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. This is gonna bring back memories, hopefully. So the first thing I would do is spread my tomato sauce around the top, which is the crust. And then what I like to do is just dig out the top part. My favorite part is like the pastry part, like underneath here, where it's like soft and squishy. This is pretty good. It doesn't taste exactly the same, but the crust is really crispy, which is what I like. And then squishy on the bottom. Put your fork here in between the top pastry and like lift up. See that? Professional. So after you eat the top, you have 2 types of people. One that eats all the filling and then finishes it off, or one that eats it with the filling. I'm the kind of person that eats it with the filling. So what you do is you pick up your pie, pick it up like this, and you kind of just like eat it like a burrito. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It helps me out so much. Thanks, guys. I was so amazed by the Japanese school lunches I found online. They were making my mouth water. It looked so tasty and healthy and consisted of a main dish of either meat, fish, tofu, or curry with rice, or a noodle dish like an udon or a yakisoba. They came with soup and vegetables on the side too, which gave it a huge amount of variety. They also love to include either milk, yogurt, or both with their lunches, I guess for their dairy fix. So this is the picture I chose to recreate, so let's do it. For this, I'm using instant rice, of course, heating it up in the microwave because I'm way too lazy to make rice. And then I'm using this instant curry packet, which you can get at the Asian grocery store. To make this, you just add boiling water to a pot and then throw the packet in for like 5 minutes. And it comes with actual vegetables too. Then I'm adding oil to a pan. I'm adding a shredded cabbage mix to it. Then I'm adding this sesame veggie seasoning I got from Daiso. It is so good. Stir fry this for a few minutes and your veggie side dish is done, and honestly it looks almost exactly like the picture. So I'm pouring milk into a cup instead because I couldn't find a milk box in the grocery store. And I'm plating this by adding rice to my plate and then my curry on the side, placing my vegetable side on the tray, and of course finishing it off with a little tub of yogurt. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm kind of proud of myself in recreating this. This is kind of cute though. I really think I'm getting the vibes. Okay guys, I'm so excited for this. Let's try the curry. If I was a kid having this for lunch every day, I would be so happy. So if you never tried Japanese curry before, definitely try it. Japanese curry is also a staple meal for a lot of adults as well, not just kids. Let's try this vegetable side that I made. It's usually either a kind of like coleslaw salad or this kind of like stir fry that's like been chilled. Wow. And it's just got like a sliced nutty sesame kind of like savory kind of twist to it. It's so good. This is a contender for my favorite school lunch so far. All right, now to wash it down with some milk. Guys, I really don't like the taste of milk. Now we're gonna finish off with the dessert, which is the yogurt. This is good, but I'm also lactose intolerant, so I'm just trying a little bit. So I've heard that American school lunches are often said to be unhealthy, and I can see why. The school lunches are made to be budget effective rather than healthy from what I can see. Looking online, I see options like pizza, burgers, fried fish fingers, nachos, fries, and other options like that. Some of them don't look that appetizing and some look delicious, but in the I just ate so much bad food kind of way with lots of cheese. So this is the picture I chose to recreate, so let's do it. Okay, so we found the tater tots. This is the frozen version. I'm gonna throw them in the oven. Then I found these cute chocolate mousse cups. They also come in a glass cup. I actually got a cheeseburger from Carl's Jr. as well since I was too lazy to make it from scratch. Tater tots are done and they're golden, so in they go in the tray. Adding the fancy mousse cup. I've got hot sauce, you can do ketchup as well. And since I couldn't find like the chocolate milk in the picture, I have Yoo-hoo milk. Alright guys, this is my version of the American school lunch. I've never had a lunch like this before in my life. So excited to try everything. Actually, I've never had Carl's Jr. before, so it probably doesn't taste like your school cheeseburger, but this is the closest I could get. This definitely tastes different to a McDonald's cheeseburger. So fun fact guys, we actually call these potato gems in Australia. I love these. These are one of my favorite things. And we're eating it with hot sauce because I didn't bring ketchup today. Tater tots, always the classic. Okay, now I'm gonna wash this down with chocolate milk. I'm actually lactose intolerant, so I'm not gonna drink a ton of this. I'm gonna regret it. But I wanted to experience everything, you know? Oh, it tastes so good though. And for dessert, we have chocolate mousse. Cheers. Oh, this is good. Very fancy chocolate mousse. If I had this for lunch, I would kind of be happy, but I guess if I had it every day, I would also kind of be bored. Health-wise, it's probably not the most healthy meal because there's a lot of calories in this. Korean school lunches look so nourishing. They have so many different varieties of side dishes, or banchan as they call it, as well as a range of stews and soups. Alright, so this is the picture I chose to recreate. Time to make the Korean school lunch. I'm so happy I picked up this spicy beef soup packet. So all I'm doing is heating this up in a pot. Then we're making brown rice, popping this in the microwave. Then I found this metal lunch tray on Amazon and it's gonna give it such a vibe. It's gonna look so authentic. Then on this tray, I'm adding my side dishes, which is the sweet potato salad. Then I'm adding the sesame spinach side dish, which smells so good, guys. And then of course the radish kimchi, which is in the picture as well. I prefer normal kimchi, but we're really trying to recreate the school lunch, which is the square radish kimchi. Finally, the soup has boiled, so let's pop it in as the main side dish. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. Alright guys, this lunch is the one I was pretty much the most excited about in this video. Alright, let's try the spinach. This is one of my favorite side dishes. Really love spinach. I love this dish, guys. It's got like a sesame flavor and it's kind of cold and marinated, so the flavor really infuses in the spinach. So next up is this sweet potato salad, which looks so good, guys. There's like bits of like sultana, peas, and I think it's mixed with like sweet potato or normal potato because the consistency looks more like potato-y than just pumpkin. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is the bomb. So the last side dish is a radish kimchi. It's a type of kimchi, but it's not made from cabbage. It's cubed and it's made from radish. This is not my favorite kimchi, but they do serve it at a lot of restaurants as well. Wow. Time to try the spicy beef soup or 육개장. 육개장. I hope I pronounced it correctly, guys. Please let me know down below. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's got a spicy kick. It's not too spicy for me. What I love about this soup is the beef is cooked so long that it's like super soft and stringy. This is like my favorite school lunch, I think, of this video. Canada doesn't seem to have an official school lunch system, so parents are encouraged to pack their kids' lunches from home. They all look so delicious and healthy as well, and the cool thing is they seem to have a lot of variety of food from different ethnic backgrounds. And there's no such thing as an inacceptance of other cultural foods at school. Alright, so this is the picture I chose to recreate. This lunch is so easy to make. Just grab your favorite slice of bread and spread your favorite spread on it. I used peanut butter. For all of those crust haters, cut your crust off. And for your crust lovers, eat it while you do this. Then what you want to do is cut your bread in half. Then roll it up in these cute swirls. They are so adorable. They remind me of swirly sponge cake with bread. And literally just make as many of these as you want to fill you up. I found these at Target. These are like mozzarella cheese sticks. And guys, I have not had one of these for a while. Just throw it in your lunchbox. Then we want some baby carrots for your veggie fix and some snow peas. Then we're adding our apple, which is our piece of fruit, and we're slicing it in quarters. But I guess you cut this up however you like. And then we're done. We made a Canadian school lunch. Okay, I'm so proud of myself. I made my own Canadian school lunch. So with Canada, there's not really a paid school lunch system. So a lot of kids bring food from home that their parents have made. And I really noticed that these like sandwich swirls came up in a lot of school lunches. Let me know down below what you eat for school in Canada as well. I'm gonna eat sandwiches like this more often. Time to try some of these healthy vegetables. I mean, this doesn't really taste... I know what this tastes like. Wow, not bad. I've never had sugar snap peas by itself before. I've always like dipped it in hummus or something else. Baby carrot time. Time to try the string cheese. Oh, you know what I like to do? Like make them super thin. Oh yeah. Tastes just as good as I remember. There used to be a challenge on like how thin you could peel it. But if it breaks, then you like lose. Lost that. Now to finish the meal with a slice of healthy apple. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me trying school lunches from around the world. If you want me to do more or you want me to recreate your school lunches, don't forget to send pictures of your school lunches to me and hashtag Wengie School Lunches on Instagram or Twitter and TikTok, and I'm gonna look at them and I'm gonna recreate my favorite ones to try because they're all so yummy. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media at Wengie on TikTok, at Wengie on Instagram, Snapchat. Also, I have a music channel called Wengie Music where I have a ton of music videos in there, and don't forget to add my music onto your playlist from Spotify or Wengie Music. They're so catchy. Love you, bye. Mwah.